Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we can split a data available in a cell into multiple cells. One of the biggest example that we are going to use is if you have a column or a cell with full name, then you want to convert it into first and last name, how you are going to do it. So we have a very easy way of doing it, and I will start with this example in which the name is separated with spaces. So how to do it? What I will do is that I will select this column, or you can say I can select this, and then I will go to data tab. In data tab we have this option to do from text to columns. Here it will be having two different options available. One is delimit, and the second one is fixed width. I'm not going to take the fixed width, and I can tell this thing in other video, but for now what we'll be doing, we will be selecting the first option, and then we will click next. Here it will ask me what would be the main criteria for separating it into two different cells, or three for that matter. So here, if you have seen, there is this tab selected and comma already selected. What I will do, I will remove this comma and I will put space. So you will see over here the names are splitted between first and second based on the space, and then I will click next, and then I can click finish. So in this way you will see this is now the first name and this is the last name. So here is how we can split data based on the space. But what if there is no space, there is some other delimiter available which we can use to split data. For instance, this is an example where the data is available in cells and the delimiter that we have is comma. I will select this column, I will go to the same option from text to columns, and here I will select delimited, and then instead of space what I will do, I have commas over here, I can put commas and it will split using comma. If there is, for example, a semicolon, I can click on other and put semicolon or any other like slash, double slash. So I can use any other option, but for now we are going to use comma, and I will click next, and again I will click finish. It will split the name from one column into two different columns based on the comma available within that data range. That was all about splitting data using a data tab and text to column command. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. For more video, you can view other videos on Excel and short tricks as well. Thank you so much.